Hey everybody, I haven't done a video in a while where you could actually see me, and I'm sure you were wondering, how is Mr. Kreutzer's quarantine beard coming along? So it's getting there, it's filling in. I don't know if I like it or not. Shh. Enough out of you, buddy. All right, so guys, there were a few issues that we had with the thesis statements. Most people did a really good job. There were a couple of things that we kept seeing over and over. So one thing we did notice, some people's claims changed from the time on that little quiz where you wrote, here's my claim, to here's my thesis statement. Your claim changed. I don't know why you did that. That's silly. Use the same one. Okay. So I wrote an example up here to show you kind of what we're looking for. All right. Claim plus reasons equals thesis. That's what we've been over. Most of you did a good job with that. Excuse me. I have here an example of a claim. Teachers should get paid more than professional athletes. All right. The claim's very simple. It's to the point. That's what I believe. Right. My claim doesn't have my reasons or anything else like that. Teachers should get paid more than professional athletes. Then, I have reason number one. Teachers have an impact on every child in our country. So that's my first reason. Second reason, if teachers earned more money, more talented individuals might go into teaching. Okay? Not all teachers in the universe are as talented as me, or Mr. Reef, or Mr. Kakmar, or Mr. Lloyd, or everybody else. Okay? So, I have a claim. I have two reasons. What a lot of people did was they wrote their thesis as 3 or 4 sentences. Okay, a thesis statement is one sentence. Okay, these are the ingredients, the claim and your reasons, but you're combining them into one thing. So, Colin, what is your favorite breakfast in the world?
Pancakes.
Okay, so this morning when Colin asked me for pancakes, I did not deliver to him a tray full of flour, eggs, blueberries, milk, sugar, baking powder, and vanilla. I forgot the salt. There's a little bit of salt. If I had shown up with this for Colin, he would have been like, what are you doing? No, I don't want that. What am I doing with that? That's the same reaction that I had when you showed up with a claim as a sentence and then a reason as a sentence and another reason as a sentence. You need to combine them, right? So when I combine milk and eggs and flour and sugar and baking powder and vanilla and salt, that's what I get. A pancake. Look at that. A pancake. Mickey, come. Come here. You want it? Sit.
Don't give him the pancake.
Stay. I'm not. All right, I won't give him the whole pancake. Stay. Watch this.
Don't give him the pancake.
Go. Okay. All right, I gave him like half the pancake. He'll be fine. He can eat pancakes. He's now going to sit here and beg the whole time. All right, so when you combine your claim and your reasons, you combine them, like I combine them to make a pancake, into one sentence. Okay, but here's the problem. If I just combine all of this stuff, I'm going to have this huge giant pancake, and it's not really going to taste very good because it's all like mixed awkwardly and everything. And so my thesis statement is not going to be teachers should get paid more than professional athletes because teachers have an impact on every child in our country, and if teachers earn more money, more talented individuals might go into teaching. That's way too long. Right, so I need to figure out, for example, I need 1.5 cups of sugar, I need 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, I need a teaspoon of vanilla, I need 1 egg, I forgot the butter also, 3 tablespoons of butter that's melted. You're getting my secret pancake recipe. You need to make it shorter, and that was the other issue that we had. You need to shorten your reasons. All right, this thesis, here you go, check out my thesis. Teachers should get paid more than professional athletes because they are more influential, and then more talented people would go into teaching. Okay, that's basically it, right? This idea, if you look at this reason, teachers have an impact on every child in our country. I changed that to just say teachers are more influential. It's short. and to the point. Like a punk song. Get it? Okay? So take your thesis, your claim, shorten your reasons, and put it all together in one sentence. The thesis is the most important sentence in your essay. If you're having trouble with your thesis, check with me, check with Mrs. Wetmore. We'll help you. You need to have a good solid thesis in the beginning of your essay. It's going to go at the end of your introduction paragraph. All right, if you don't have a solid thesis, you're doomed from the start. So, to recap, your claim stays the same. You combine them into one sentence, shorten your reasoning, your reasons. You don't put evidence or explanations into your thesis. That all comes later on. All right, I think that's it. I'm going to go hide the rest of this pancake from Mickey, who's sniffing around for it and is waiting desperately, like, please just give me the rest of the pancake. All right, talk to you later. Bye.